Good day everybody, this is Jerry from BSK Garage. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple video because if you're here, you obviously want to know how to remove the HVAC vents. You may want to do that if you're replacing your stereo or if you need to remove the window switch or whatever have you not. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove it. So in order to remove the HVAC vent, you're going to turn this. You need to turn it to a certain area. I'm going to show you. You're going to see that notch up there. Is what you're going to see. As you see, it's in position right now, but if you move it, I know it's kind of hard to see, but you kind of need it in that open spot. So then once you're in that open spot, you're going to stick a small flat blade screwdriver kind of up and then kind of like lift up so it pushes down. Okay, stick that in up there, kind of lift it, and if you can turn your vent like such, and you pull it right out. Okay, stick that in up there, kind of lift it, and if you can turn your vent like such, and you pull it right out. So this is going to be the best example I'm going to show you. That's that hole that I'm talking about, that you line it up so you can see it right through there. And when I talk about putting the screwdriver in, you can tell I've been in there a few times. All you gotta do is when you insert the screwdriver and then tilt it up, it pushes that tab down, which allows you to grab the gray piece and turn it. And it's that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below and check out my playlist for more Jeep JK videos.